He's known as the rock star minister. He is very popular with the youth and the young and old alike, if I might say. So when we meet Foreign Minister Jaishankar, we've got to ask him some fun questions, right? He's known also for his Hazir Jawabi, so let's put that to test. Are you ready, sir? So I'm going to throw a couple of questions. You have to give me yes or no answers or the first thing that comes to mind. Okay? So what is harder, being a diplomat or being a politician?
Politician.
But what do you enjoy most, being a diplomat or being a politician?
Politician.
Okay. Morning person or evening person?
Evening person. Late night person.
Ah, that's good to know. Yoga or cardio?
Yoga and squash.
Oh, that's nice. Favorite cuisine, South Indian or Japanese?
Tough one.
Tough one.
Wife will hear this.
So we'll stick to sushi.
Japanese.
Yeah, great. Favorite book, and it's tricky, Mahabharat or Ramayana? You have written on both.
I would say both.
You can't say both. Pick one.
You can't say both. Depends on the day of the week. I would say right now I'm more into Ramayana.
That's nice. Okay. Where do you get your news from? TV or social?
More social.
More social? Good to know.
Yes.
Have you ever used ChatGPT to write any of your speeches?
No.
Never?
No, never.
Old Parliament or New Parliament?
No, I don't trust it.
You don't trust ChatGPT?
No.
Okay. Buildings then, Old Parliament or New Parliament?
New Parliament. More comfortable, believe me.
Yeah. And social media platforms, X or Instagram?
Both.
Both.
This one I can say both.
Okay, you can watch him on both, by the way. And these two are tricky, the last two ones. Who is a more reliable partner, Russia or US?
India is India's best partner.
I was hoping only for a diplomat or a former diplomat to come with that diplomatic answer. And the last one, immediate ceasefire in Gaza, yes or no?
I think sustainable humanitarian corridor.
And that is, yeah.
That's a sustainable humanitarian corridor.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Okay.